Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, or welcome if you guys are new. So this video is part 2 of my live pregnancy test. So if you guys haven't seen that first video, make sure you guys go and check it out. I'm gonna leave the link, I think, up there or up there. I'll leave it up here so you guys can go ahead and click that and watch my mine and my husband's reaction and me telling my husband about possibly baby number 5. But I am going to somewhat recap for you guys. So I took a live pregnancy test because I was 3 days late and it turned up positive. That test was positive, you guys. So I completely freaked out. So I sat my husband down and basically told him what's going on. So I ended up running to the store and getting another test, which came out negative. And then my video ended there. So this video is going to be starting off about 2 days later. And I took another test and it showed a very small faint line. So the clips you're about to see is me rushing to doctors to get a blood test done to see if I'm pregnant or not. So you guys are going to see the results in here. The reason why I'm doing this intro right now is because my clips were just all over the place. I was trying really hard to vlog. We had a ton of family come over because it starts off on 4th of July. So yeah, I just thought I would do an official sit down intro for you guys, just so you guys kind of understood what's going on. So yeah, I'm heading to the doctor's right now to get a blood test. They are closed, you guys. Shoot. What was I thinking? Of course they're closed. Okay, I gotta wait till tomorrow morning. Okay, so the clips that you just saw is me running to the doctor's to go get my blood test to see if I'm pregnant or not. And of course it's 4th of July. What was I thinking? Of course they're closed. Like, what was I thinking? So I'm rushing back home now and we're gonna carry on with 4th of July. So in this vlog, you guys are gonna see me get a blood test done and also find out if the results came out negative or positive.
Oh no!
It's hard to explain, so you have to watch the video.
Are you serious? Why?
Just want me to update you, or do you want to watch it?
I want to watch it
authentically. What do you have to say?
You don't want to be jumping to conclusions, and you have to just wait till next week and then take the test.
Tomorrow I'm going in for a blood test, and that's accurate. Okay? So just letting you guys know, we will know in a few days.
Alright, let's go get some eggs. We're at the park right now. We got all the kids. All dark now. I'll light it up.
To get a blood test.
You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you're all set. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, you know when you get the results back?
2 days, but do you have the app?
I do.
Some people say they get it the same day.
Same day. Okay, so I just got in the car. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go to Walmart right now, get some tests. Quantity needed. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys right there because my husband's in the car. Okay, just got the results, so we're gonna look at it right now.
Or did you see it already?
No. Unread.
You are not pregnant. Stop messing around now and take a pregnancy test. so now you... Oh, dang, you what's up?
Hey guys. No.
We just read the results of pregnancy.
Oh, dang. Y'all did that quick. Negative.
Negative.
Good.
Not pregnant. I just did the
That's the
blood test
results
this
we
morning.
wanted.
All right, you guys. I'm pretty sure the blood test is accurate, so won't see any more live pregnancy test reactions. But why am I late though?
Everybody's late. Everyone.
Why am I a week late on my period?
You
Why?
just had a baby and it took you 4 months to have a
Okay.
period.
All right, stay tuned for the next video of the vasectomy.
Yeah. The procedure.
The procedure. Are you gonna get a vasectomy now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Am I making you?
No.
You want to get it done?
Yeah.
Dad,
Toast.
how do you feel about no baby Demi?
I need one more.
What? Hey guys, so I just got done getting ready and I got some cookies in the mail sent by Bourbon Bakery. Abigail is the girl that makes them and she makes like these crazy insane cookies. She'll do like these cereal ones with like bedrocker with like fruity pebbles or like marshmallows, and she'll put like a cookie inside of a cookie, so make sure you guys follow her page. So here's her card. Make sure you guys check her out. And I think I'll probably do a little montage on opening, and I am gonna warm them up. There's different ways. You can eat them straight out the package. Some people put them in the microwave, and I'm gonna go ahead and try them in the oven just for a little bit, just to get them a little warm. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and taste test them. Okay, so I just took them out the oven and I'm gonna try That's My Jam. So That's My Jam is Reese's peanut butter chip cookie stuffed with wild berry jam adorned with freeze-dried berries. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is literally like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So good. So the confetti wop is white cake batter and sprinkle cookie base stuffed with rainbow chip icing, quarter dip in homemade vanilla buttercream and sprinkles. So good. Oh my gosh. Mmm. That buttercream. I'm not sharing this one.
My turn. That shit smells good.
Oh my gosh. Okay, this right here, this is the one I was dying to try because of that cream right there. Oh my gosh, this is so worth it. This is so bomb. Alright guys, so make sure you go on Instagram and you follow Bourbon Bakery and just look at all the other crazy wild cookies that they make. And make sure you guys order some because she sells out really quick and she only opens up orders once a week and then you guys will receive them. So make sure you guys check them out. I'll go ahead and leave the link to the Instagram. And so yeah. Okay, so it is the next day again. We had some more family come over, so they spent the night last night. So they wanted to go to the Sacramento Zoo. They wanted to go to the zoo, and it's like horrible there. Everyone says it's just awful. And we just got back from the Oakland Zoo, so we're just gonna go. There's like a little aquarium in Folsom, so we're walking there right now. Yep.
Yay! Yay! Thank you. Sorry, I'm too loud.
Look what he gave me. He's so cute. My chilies. Joshua. Alright, back at the house now. And we rented this thing, so we have it for the weekend. I'll go with you. I don't really know what happened earlier with the beeping. The electrical went out or something, so.
Wait, can I get in the camera? Hi. We're not pregnant, yes.
This is the vlog. Alright, today's the last day that I'm vlogging. I'm gonna upload it sometime tomorrow. Okay, so we're at Lucille's right now. My cousin's leaving. Honey. This weekend has been great. Had a really good weekend. Lots of family. So I'll tell you close the video up.
Then you're saying that.
With a mouthful of food.
Alright, we got food. I got this.
Did you record? No. Wait.
Yum! So good. Baby number 5. Oh, baby, you got a haircut. Joshua, let me see your haircut. So handsome.
Okay, we'll see you guys at the house.
Alright, you guys, so I'm currently editing this video right now, and I realized I didn't have an outro. But before I end the video, I do want to touch on us finding out that we were not pregnant. We felt totally relieved afterward. I know we didn't talk about it too much in the video, but ooh, we felt so relieved after reading the email and finding out that we were not pregnant. So, because I don't know what we were going to do if we were pregnant with baby number 5. So anyways, I know this vlog was kind of all over the place, but honestly this was one of the best weeks ever. We spent so much time with so much family, even a few things that I did not vlog because I just didn't know this weekend was gonna end up like this. So I wish I vlogged all of it, but I'm happy for the footage we do have so that we can look back on this because this was such a great weekend. I feel like this is exactly what I needed, just some good time with family. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new, please subscribe and be a part of the family. Give this video a thumbs up and please leave a comment if you guys enjoy these vlogs, or leave a comment and say hi. Let me know that you're new or say anything you want. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and I will see you guys in the next video.